What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe and healthy. Let's begin right away with this review of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And as you see, this looks a little bit different, right? Usually I'm filming on my Sony a7 III with a nice lens on it. But this time, this is all from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So what do you think about the image quality so far? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, the audio is also straight from the iPhone as well. So what do you think about the audio? I think in a silent environment such as this one, I'm right now here in my little studio slash attic slash clothing room, whatever you want to call it, office. I think when you have a decent environment, the sound is actually pretty nice, right? And also image quality should be quite nice as well. But anyways, this review is not all about the specs and stuff like that. It's more about the camera factor or the camera aspect of this phone. So I'm going to talk about that the most. But as always, I'm going to divide my reviews in several sections. Then the first section that we are going to discuss is the build quality of this smartphone. So this smartphone, you know, it is an iPhone and it feels really nice and premium. It's a little bit too large, right? But other than that, the build quality, the feeling, how it feels in the hand, how it looks, the design, stuff like that, you know, it's premium quality and feels really nice and good. So no issues with that. I do wish that it has a USB-C connector, you know, for even faster charging and stuff like that. But now it still has that old school Apple. I'm not even sure what it's called. It does have that wireless charging and the battery life is really good as well. If you got an iPhone already, you know the feeling, you know everything is just very smooth and just you can switch around things. It doesn't freeze too much. Sometimes it does freeze, you know, if you have a lot of things open and stuff like that, but you have to be careful with that. Coming down to the interesting part, to me at least, that is the cameras of this phone. You know, it has those, the telezoom, the wide angle and the super wide angle. I'm now filming on the normal lens or camera in 4K 25 frames per second. And I think, to be honest with you guys, it looks pretty good. I think I can use this even for YouTube, but also just for sharing with your family and friends, social media. You can use this iPhone 12 Pro Max really easily. I think I'm just going to stop talking and just show you the images and videos and stuff like that, and like slow motion and everything. And let me know what you think when I come back. Testing out the front camera stabilization in the snow. All right, let's do a little wide angle, ultra wide angle stabilization test. Does it look wobbly? Okay, so I think everything looks pretty good, right? And you can also edit it and you can also shoot in RAW and stuff like that. So there are many options when it comes down to your own artistic expressions, right? But then overall, if you're interested in the iPhone 12 Pro Max and you really want to use this as your content creation device, go ahead and buy it. You will be very happy with it. And I know that there are people out there, YouTubers out there, that are actually making a lot of money by using the iPhone 12 Pro Max or just an iPhone 12 Pro or even like the previous generation's iPhones to make a lot of money and make a lot of videos with just an iPhone, which is really cool. One of my favorites that I'm recently checked is Spawn Point. Everything that you see on his YouTube channel is shot on an iPhone, also his thumbnails and stuff like that. So that's really nice, man. I really like it. I really like how it looks. And I think, you know, if I didn't have a Sony mirrorless camera, or if I was not a photographer, then an iPhone would be a great choice for me, at least, to do like these type of videos reviews and stuff like that. Vlogging, of course, right? So that's it for this video. A short little video about the iPhone 12 Pro Max, also shot on the iPhone. The sound that you're hearing is from the iPhone as well. So I think that's great, man. To be honest with you guys, it's a great device. So yeah, that's it for today's video. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next one.